Alright, we got the pressure on Tommy again. Frank's fighting a fish. This is that same spot. Oh, I missed where it was. Slowed down a little bit, but we're also very tired. You're gonna make me delete this file. Frank's fighting a fish. Where's Frank's fish? It's in there somewhere. There's Frank's fish. Tom's going for it again. You gonna get a hook set? No hook set. We pulled a lot of fish out of that hole. There's Frank bringing his in.
You know what this one's going to be? This is called the last cast. After this.
What is that, Wayne?
What's that?
Making that noise. No?
Yeah, I saw it down there by the shore.
Frank's still working his fish. We're going to give Tommy one more chance.
Well, that wasn't my cast. It wasn't where I wanted to be.
Now, he's claiming that it was a miscast.
It was a miscast.
We'll go over, we'll shoot a little bit of Frank in the meantime. That's Frank's butt, and that's Frank's fish next to him. Need some pliers? There we go. Good release. We'll get him out of there. We'll make babies. Whoa, he's still just fine. Get out, get out, get that way, go that way. There he goes. And there he goes. And that's the end of that hole. That was unbelievable. Oh, you got one on?
Last cast, actually.
You got last cast. Where is he?
He's not doing much.
There he is. There's just some jumping right out in the middle there. I don't know. I'm not sure who's in charge right now.
I'm exhausted.
We had an unbelievable first half day. Oh, he's running. Unbelievable first half day of fishing. We caught a bunch on spinning gear. We caught a good number on fly rod too. Kenny caught 3 times as many fish today at least as he did on the whole last Alaska trip. So Kenny had a good day. Everybody had a good day. You gonna land this fish time or what? Rope-a-dope. Rope-a-dope. Coming right at me. He's not ready yet. Let me see if I can spook him in. Here he comes. Oh, green pixie. Right up on the bank. Attaboy. Like walking a dog. Walking a big, slippery dog. There's Wayne,
Oh, it's bleeding bad. We're going to have to take this one.
that one got it in the gills. And if the gills are bleeding, the fish won't make it. So that one's going to end up in the cooler.
Trying to get something to whack them.
Okay. Good job, Tommy. And that is the end of that.
60 fish, 70 fish. Good,
I think I did it.
he caught probably 30.
That's all for now.
Common ducks, I'm sure they caught 30 each. Yeah.
I just had to get that on camera. They said we caught 30 each. Now I'm going to sign off.
We probably had 100 fish.